Hey everyone, today we are making ragi chocolate cake. It may not look very fancy, but it is absolutely healthy and delicious. Let's get baking. In a bowl, take half cup ragi flour, half cup wheat flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. We will give this a good mix with a whisk. Set this aside for now. In another bowl, take 2/3 cup jaggery powder, pour 1/3 cup hot water in it and mix. Then add 1/3 cup melted ghee and 1/4 cup curd in it. Give it a good mix. Now let's combine the wet and dry ingredients. Just mix until you see no more dry flour. Look at that beautiful rich batter. Add few drops of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. I am using a 6-inch round pan, greased and lined the bottom with parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan. Give it a gentle tap on the counter to release any air bubbles. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 27 to 30 minutes on preheated microwave convection mode. Our cake is ready. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. It's a simple tea time cake, but healthiest and delicious cake ever. If you want to give it a fancy look, serve it with chocolate ganache frosting, sprinkle desiccated coconut or any nut of your choice. The taste is incredible, rich chocolate flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. For more recipes, subscribe to my channel. Try it and you will not regret.